Oh, you caught it in his mouth, and I missed it.
You missed it?
Yes.
Alright, we're going to try it again. You ready? Are you videoing?
Yes, I'm videoing.
Oh, that was way too far up. The first one was perfect.
What are you doing, buddy?
Alright, here we go.
He's like saying, give it here. He got it, yay. Ready? He's like, that hit my belly. He caught it.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
He's like throwing his mouth.
Ready? Oh, shit. He's like, that hit my leg. All right, I'll pick it up.
Well, here we go. This one's one more. Whoop, yeah!
He's lazy.
Look. Damn. That's way too far. What's he doing now?
He's like, that's my foot.
We'll go feed this one.
Ha ha.